Have you ever wished that ChatGPT not just answer questions but actually do the work for you? Well, it's finally here. OpenAI has just introduced something big, ChatGPT Agent, your smart AI teammate that can browse the web, fill out forms, run code, and even create entire Excel spreadsheets or PowerPoint decks. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a virtual computer-powered assistant, combining 3 powerful tools into one. Operator for web browsing, deep research for synthesis and reasoning, and ChatGPT's natural language skills, all working together in perfect harmony. Want it to book appointments? Plan your meals? Analyze your calendar, model finances, or build full slide decks. Just describe the task and watch it go. Here's what makes it truly user-friendly. It handles multi-step workflows with ease. It gives you editable Excel and PowerPoint files to refine on your own, and it's built with user safety in mind. The agent asks for approval before major actions. Plus, there's a watch mode to view everything in real time, and even a replay feature so you can review exactly what it did. Let's talk results. On humanities' last exam, it set a new record with 41.6% accuracy on expert-level questions. On DS Bench, which evaluates real-world data science tasks, it outperformed humans. On Spreadsheet Bench, it doubled the score of Excel Copilot. But let's keep it real. It's still early days. Yes, it can make mistakes. And the slideshow generation feature? That's still in beta. But OpenAI is already training the next version, aiming for more polished, smarter, and broader capabilities. Getting started is simple. Open any ChatGPT conversation. Click the Tools drop-down and select Agent Mode. Then describe your task. And it'll get to work, pausing when it needs clarification or approval. This is the future of productivity, and it's happening right now. If you're excited about what AI can really do, hit that subscribe button and join us for more updates. We've only scratched the surface. Stay tuned.